Where and how can you find journal articles for China legal research? In doing China legal research, you are recommended to search for journal articles first because 1. They provide background information and overview. 2. They provide similar arguments to your topics. 3. They contain relevant case notes to assist you in understanding legal points. At CUHK Library, there are a few databases you can use to search full-text journal articles for China legal topics. Some of them allow you to search both in Chinese and English. In this video, you will learn how to use HeinOline, Westlaw Next and China Journal Network to find journal articles for China legal research. Every time you wish to use CUHK subscribed databases, please sign in CUHK login first. You can use your CUHK email and 1Pass password as your library password. The first database you will learn is HeinOline. HeinOline is an image-based collection of full-text legal periodicals. It contains more than 2,400 journals on a variety of subjects, including human rights, foreign relations, international law, and more. All journals date back to inception, and more than 90% are available through to the current issue or volume. To access HeinOline and all other law databases, go to CUHK Library website, www.lib.cuhk.edu.hk, click E-Resources tab. Click Browse Databases by Subject pop-up menu, and then select Law. HeinOline is the first on the list. Click the database name to proceed. On HeinOline, you can enter keywords of your topics directly on the Search All Databases search box. HeinOline will search your keywords on all databases for you. In this example, we are searching Protection of Intellectual Property Rights in China. When you enter the keywords, Protection, Intellectual Property Rights, China, in the search box, you will locate more than 15,000 results. You use a quotation mark to surround intellectual property rights because you want these keywords come as a phrase. Cited by refers to an author's article that has been cited by articles written only within the past 12 to 24 months. Users may also click Access Times to view how many times the article has been accessed by other HeinOline users within a 12-month period. This helps the user retrieve the most accurate and relevant search results, as well as to see what's trending in legal research. Click Download PDF, or Download options to view the full text article, or you can choose to email the article to yourself. The results may contain irrelevant records, and it will take a long time to go through all results. To narrow down the results, you may want to search the same keywords in specific fields, such as article title, full text, and/or author, by clicking Advanced Search under Search All Databases search box, and/or enter specific publication years. To find more tips on building your searches and using search operators, click Search Help for more information. If you need in-depth analysis on the same topic, you may want to try Index to Foreign Legal Periodicals, IFL. IFL is a collection for articles focusing on in-depth coverage of public and private international law, comparative and foreign law from non-Anglo-American countries. To search the database, click Index to Foreign Legal Periodicals, IFL. You may input the search terms, protection, intellectual property rights, and China in the search box, or enter the keywords respectively in article title field. To display articles available in HeinOline only, check off the box, Show only results for periodicals included in HeinOline. If you wish to add more search terms, you may click Add field. You have retrieved 10 results. To view full text of articles, click PDF, Download. The second database we will introduce you for doing China legal research is Westlaw Next. Westlaw Next contains over 600 law reviews and journals from all over the world. You can surely find articles relevant to your research topic. On Westlaw Next homepage, if you input your search terms or article title directly on the search box, it will result all types of materials including cases, forms, and other court documents, which may not be helpful to your research. To search journal articles, you may click Secondary Sources, or International Materials. If you click International Materials, click Journals, under Content Types. You will be directed to international journals, which do not include journals published in the United States. If you have a specific journal title you wish to search, click Law Reviews and Journals Index, on the Secondary Sources page. This index consists of more than 600 law reviews and journals. Click to open a particular journal, or search all laws reviews and journals by typing search terms on the search box. On Secondary Sources page, click World Journals link on the right. World Journals includes a wide selection of journals from all jurisdictions such as Australia, Canada, European Union, and United Kingdom. On the World Journals page, you can enter your search terms with connectors in the search box. This is called Terms and Connectors search method. For example, you want to find articles that discuss and compare criminal law against shadow banking in China and USA. You come up with the key terms such as comparative, criminal law, shadow banking, China, and USA. And then you can use connectors to indicate how your terms will appear in results from your query. In this example, you want the terms, comparative, China, and USA to show up in the same paragraph, so you put /p between the terms, but the terms, criminal law, and shadow banking can appear anywhere in articles, so no connectors are needed. The benefit of this method is that your results become more focused, as you can eliminate many irrelevant records that do not fit your criteria. This search method is especially appropriate when you are searching for particular terms, searching for a particular document containing or excluding specific information, terms, searching for terms appearing in specific order and/or location. For more information on using connectors, see Connectors and Expanders on the Advanced link. If you want to further narrow down the results, you may open All Results on the left, and then Click Search within Results box to enter more terms. Hit Enter on the keyboard after inputting search terms, or you may try clicking Advanced to edit your terms by including, excluding more terms, and/or setting frequency for when search terms appear. After editing, click OK, and hit Search button. Click the article title to open full text. On the right column, relevant laws and regulations, and articles are included. The last database you will learn is China JournalNet. China JournalNet is the largest and most continuously updated Chinese journal database in the world, focusing on academy, technology, policy guidance, law, popular science and education journals, and covers science, engineering, technology, agriculture, philosophy, medicine, humanities and social sciences, etc. Has collected 10,305 China academic journals, and the full text paper amount has reached to 62,112,810 from 1994 to the present. Some publications start from 1915. It is a database that is useful for finding materials on Chinese law. To locate China JournalNet, go to the A to Z databases list by law, and then browse under C. Or you may search it on Library Search. After you open the database link, you will be directed to this page. You can select Traditional Chinese, or Simplified Chinese version to enter into the database. If you select your language as English, you will be led to this page where you may start doing your searches right away in the search box. Or, if you would like to go back to the same interface of China JournalNet page but in English, click China Academic Journals Full Text Database. There are more databases included in China JournalNet's subscription. Click the drop-down menu under Language for more titles. You need to find some journal articles written on energy policy of rural areas in China in Chinese and English. You start your research in Chinese first. You decided to search in all disciplines in basic search, and you type in the term, energy policy of rural areas in Chinese in the search box and select to search in the subject field. You have retrieved 40 articles, and some articles look very relevant. You may click on the article title, or click Read HTML format for reviewing abstract or full text. Precise, which is the default option, means results will only match exact words of search terms. Fuzzy, means results will include parts of search terms. You want to try a different search. Input your search terms in English in the keyword field. You type, energy, policy, rural and China, in the search box. And you find 3 Chinese titles but not written in English. Open the results, and you will find that although some articles have English title, abstract and keywords, the main content of the article is still written in Chinese. To find journal articles written in English, change your language to English. After the interface has been displayed in English, you will be able to find more articles written in English by using different fields. You may try searching the same set of keywords, that is, energy, rural, China, in the full text field. You will locate some articles written in English. Please change the search mode from precise to fuzzy, as we did not know if we could find any articles written in English on this topic in the database. We want to include as many English articles as possible. Precise mode will only match results that have the exact words as the search terms, while fuzzy search will allow you to include results with parts of the search terms. You may also try a different database, for example, China Doctoral Dissertations Full Text Database and China Legal Knowledge Integrated Database for scholarly written articles. Let's click and open China Legal Knowledge Integrated Database for more searching. On China Legal Knowledge Integrated Database main page, enter your search terms and hit Search. You may search title, keyword, full text or subject fields and choose fuzzy search mode to get the desired results. In this search, we could only find articles written in Chinese. Same as in the previous search, this article has title, abstract and keywords written in English, but the full text is written in Chinese. That is the end of our demonstration. We hope you have learned how to use HeinOline, Westlaw Next and China Journal Network to find journal articles for your China legal research.